My name is Jacobson Valentine. I'm the Executive Director and founder of Feed the Mass, and today we're talking to you about our FED Summer programming. This summer, we opened up our kitchen to student interns to learn about how to work in the food industry. It was an amazing opportunity for 6 amazing young 14 through 18-year-old high school students to learn how to work in the food industry, how to prep, how to cook, how to menu plan, how to be an employee, and how to be trainable in today's industry.
The more heat is going to retain, the more it's going to continue to cook. So like your turkey at Thanksgiving is going to maybe jump up 5-10 more degrees, so we all get the same cooking times. If we know we drop these ones in once those are done, and they're about roughly the same size, they should cook roughly the same time. You'll know this batch will be coming out a minute or two behind this one.
Our summer FED program is important to our community because we believe that job training starts honestly when you're in high school. We think the ability to be trainable, to be enthusiastic, to find purpose should start at a younger age. We also believe that there is also a lot of opportunities to mentor, get kids off the streets into an environment that is supportive, where they're surrounded by people who care about their well-being and give them purpose in our community.
We're interviewing. This is Darren. This is Darren. This is my sister. Twin. This is Bowden. Okay, wait, for real. I learned how to use a deep fryer. I kind of have bad communication skills with people, so I learned how to talk to people and open up. I learned a lot of things like what temperature the food has to be at before you can serve it, and just a lot of good stuff in the kitchen. My favorite part has to be when we first started cooking. Like we were in there, Jacob had us making steak. He taught me how to do grill marks, and I'm a professional. They help you when you need it, and they explain things thoroughly if you don't understand it the first time, and they just help you till you get it right. And if there's a mistake, you don't get scolded for it. They help you fix your mistake and do it better next time.
If there was one thing you can go back and tell yourself before you started this program, what would that be?
Go to sleep on time. And something I tell myself before I started, be open to trying and learning new things.
I think one of the biggest memories I had for the entire program was when we had students who continuously said, I can't do this, or it's too hard, or this isn't something I usually do. And then at the end, they're surprised and they're constantly being motivated to do more difficult tasks, even challenge themselves on how to make things. I think when we first talked to them about having to create the meals at the end of our program, they were like, well, can we just buy box stuff? And we're like, no, everything had to be made from scratch. So when that was that opportunity to say, hey, this is a way for you to do your research, learn new techniques, have a reign to be as creative as you want, and to be able to mentor them and get them to overcome obstacles and objections, and to have them at the end say, I'm gonna do this all the time, or I had an amazing experience, or this was the best thing they've ever made, and they're looking forward to doing it again. Or even being able to take some of the things they've already known and elevate it to another level and be more creative with those things. That was the best experience I've had when I was working with everybody in our program. At the end, we gave them the reign of the kitchen, and they created a meal for their families and friends to come in and have a 3-course meal, which I think honestly was to die for. tell us, what are you making today?
I'm making garlic knots.
So with your garlic knots, like, what was the one thing that you were like kind of dreading about this?
Like probably having to knead the dough with my hands because it was kind of hard as when I was like pushing it. Yeah.
Okay. So how are they coming out?
They're coming out good.
What was the first batch when you first put it in? You noticed that they were a little pretty dark. So what'd you do to kind of fix that?
I turned down the heat and I'm checking them sooner than I did the first time.
Perfect. All right. So you excited about today?
Yes, very excited.
Have you tried one yet?
No.
You should probably try one, right?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do it. All right, cool. All right, cut it in half. Ooh, that looks good. Cut that one in half. One more time. Yeah,
Not even, but.
it's all right. Get a little piece. There you go. All right, y'all. They are edible and delicious. All right, right now we're with Tom and Lilith, the Siamese twins, because everywhere you go, they're right next to each other. Yeah. So Tom, Lilith, what are you guys working on?
Chicken. We're cooking chicken for a sauce.
So how'd you make the chicken?
How do we make it?
Yeah, how did you make the chicken? Like, what did you put on the chicken?
Oh, cayenne, salt, pepper, garlic powder, water.
Okay. And so how long did it take for you to make the chicken? Like, so what did you do with the chicken, I guess? How'd you cook the chicken?
You want that?
We cooked it on the grill.
Cooked it on the grill.
We cooked it on the grill.
Okay, so you cooked it on the grill, and then what do you got to do next?
We're gonna cut it.
Okay, and what is this dish for? What is this chicken for?
The Alfredo pasta.
Alfredo pasta. Okay, so we got kind of like a Cajun style. Okay, this is gonna be good. Are you nervous,
No, I'm never nervous.
Tom?
Never. Never ever.
Never ever. All right. Cool as a cucumber.
Yeah.
I like. Bree, tell us what did you make?
I made Alfredo sauce and tomato sauce for pasta.
Okay, so a little tomato, a little Alfredo. So, which one did you like making the most?
Alfredo sauce because I don't like tomatoes.
You don't like tomatoes. So, what was your I guess the thing that you were freaking out about the most?
I didn't like tasting the tomato sauce if it tasted right because I don't know what it's supposed to taste like because I don't eat it.
Do you think it tastes good though?
For it being a tomato, yeah.
Okay, so it's the best tomato sauce you've ever made.
No,
No, you made better tomato sauce.
I don't make tomato sauce.
Okay, but it's the best one you made.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. All right, this is Bree signing off with everybody. In the future, we plan to be doing these job trainings and open it up to more students, more individuals, specifically the Black children of Portland that are between the ages of 16 and 24, those that are not in school, those that are also on the streets, and give them an opportunity to experience this hands-on opportunity to honestly earn and learn at the same time. If you're interested in supporting this program or being involved, please go to feedthemass.org. You can fill out our contact us page, or you can go to info@feedthemass.com for more information. To everyone who participated in our 2022 FED Summer Program, I want to thank you personally for giving me the opportunity to teach you. It was a hard time in the beginning, but I think we definitely built a relationship. We definitely built a friendship, and I'm grateful to be your teacher. And those who are out there who really want to take the next step moving forward, I encourage you, take that step. Make some time for yourself. Get surrounded by people who actually care about you.
Cut. Okay. What was the question?